Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first OnlyFans post. So I just logged into my account of OnlyFans and how to create your first post. So I will just tap on this plus icon which is bottom center. You will see. So I will just tap on it and here I will just set a poll question and I will just write as a random question to my audience. What is your dream car? And in the second option, I will also recommended the options my audience will be choose. So the number one is Audi, and the number second is I think Mercedes, and the third one is I will set to Ferrari. So this is my poll question and audience will be answering me and just tap on the top right corner post button. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.